as you can see, my shoes are just wore out.
Well, hey everybody. Well, it's a Friday morning, March 2021, and it's time for some new shoes for my SV Crosstrek. So I thought I'd take you along and see what I picked out. Let's go get them.
Falken WildPeak AT Trails 225/55 R17 was my pick.
Well, I'm stoked about my tires. Man, they look good. They ride good. They're gripping the road better. My last tires just wore out, and man, this winter I should never went into winter with them tires that bad. And so anyway, but I was worried about my gas mileage. I've drove about 60 miles today. I've been on the road a lot today. And let me tell you, we'll show you what my gas mileage is with the new tires. Okay. See, it's 31.
Wrong. After 3 days, my gas mileage went down to 28 miles per gallon. So I was really disappointed in that. I mean, I love the tires, but that really took a hit on my gas miles, because I usually get from 31 to 34 miles a gallon.
On average, that's what I was getting in my last tires. I was really worried about it. Man, they look good. I mean, they're gripping great. I really like them. So I'm just really pleased with them. It changed the look of my vehicle. And I think they're going to be super good tires. I'm just super happy with them. So anyway, all right, if you're thinking about getting some tires, you might want to think about, if you're thinking about getting some tires, you might want to think about getting these for your Crosstrek or whatever, your Subaru. I just love them. I mean, I think they're going to be really good. If anything goes on, I'll let you know in the future. So anyway, thank you so much, and for watching, and God bless you. And don't forget to, if you, it really helped me out if you hit the like button. And anyway, I appreciate it. If you like this video, but you have a great day. And if anything happens with the tires, anything changes, I'll let you know. But right now, I'm stoked. I love them. I'm really glad I got them. And I'll let you know, and if you keep watching the video, I'll let you know where I got the tires, so, and how much I paid for them and all that. So anyway, thank you. God bless you. River Jumper out.